Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to make your SketchUp model compatible with 3D printing. And the first thing you're going to want to do is download an STL extension, which is compatible with the 3D printer when you download your file. And to do that, you're going to want to go to your Windows tab, Extension Warehouse. And in this window that pops up, you'll just type in SketchUp STL. You'll download this SketchUp STL. Install. So I've already installed this, but once you install it, the next step you're going to want to do is go to File, and this Export STL will pop up. Once you press here, this box will pop up. And yours will look nicer than mine, but you basically can change the export units here as well as the file format, which you can just keep in this ASCII. And then you can press export and save it wherever you need. Another way to do this is to go to File and export this as a 3D model and save it as an STL file here. And this is how you make your SketchUp model compatible with a 3D printer.